The YIHUA 9926 III Soldering Kit is equipped with a powerful 110-watt soldering station that rapidly heats up and maintains temperature efficiently, making it ideal for precise soldering tasks. Its compact design integrates all essential functions, including a temperature control panel, iron holder, and cleaning sponge, ensuring a tidy and organized workspace. The soldering station incorporates advanced technologies such as PID temperature control, sleep mode, and temperature calibration, which enhance its functionality and extend the lifespan of the soldering iron tip. This kit offers excellent value with a comprehensive set of quality accessories, including various iron tips, a desoldering pump, and helping hands, catering to diverse soldering needs. YIHUA provides exceptional customer support with a 12-month technical coverage and round-the-clock professional assistance, ensuring peace of mind for users. Designed to operate on US standard voltage, this soldering kit is a reliable choice for both hobbyists and professionals seeking efficiency and convenience in their soldering projects.